Hey guys, this is Andrew from Additive Engineering Solutions, and we get a lot of questions about how durable our plastic parts and molds are. So today we're going to demonstrate that with this sample piece that we have printed here out of ABS with 20% glass fiber. It's a little over a ½ inch thick, printed in AES green color, of course. And we're going to demonstrate this, and we have Eric Black, one of our engineers here. Wave to the camera. He's going to pull his car over this, and we'll show you just how durable this plastic can be. All right, Eric. All right, so the last test worked out, and it was actually just a little too easy, so we decided to up our game here. And now we have this 26-foot long box truck, and we're going to see what happens. There you go, guys. ABS with 20% glass fiber. Pretty durable. Thanks. Hey everyone, just wanted to take a quick minute to say thank you for watching our demonstration video showcasing the strength and durability of our thermoplastic printed parts. What's pretty amazing about that demonstration was this part was able to withstand about 12,000 pounds from that box truck. And it was able to do it without any infill or support at all. So you can imagine if there was a rib down the middle of this or some kind of infill pattern, how much stronger it would have been. Lastly, we want to ask everyone if you have any ideas on what you would like us to do next and post out in regards to showcasing strength and durability of our thermoplastic printed parts. So I think we could get a couple cool ideas that would be pretty fun to film and post for everyone to see. So drop your thoughts in the comments below. We'll review, and hopefully we can turn it into a video and post it back out for everyone to watch. So appreciate it. Thanks.